Good afternoon. Good afternoon to you all. I'm delighted to speak to you from La Maison Citroën, where I really feel comfortable, not to say I feel good. It's all about customer satisfaction. Citroën is already on the podium in China for after-sales. With Citroën Advisor already deployed in 22 countries in 2016 and 34 countries by the end of 2017, it is fair to say that customer is already inside the company. What is rewarding is that Citroën customers have rated 4.7 against a scale of 5 for after-sale a new vehicle in Europe in 2016. It's all about being innovative. A Citroën C1 for €0 per month, thanks to Earn and Drive, a new mobility service that's Citroën. It's all about anticipating trends. Citroën will also benefit from the launch of the new Free2Move brand that will offer a batch of mobility services to PSA Group customers as part of the core mobility services strategy. It's all about being dynamic. Citroën has found its way, and the newly launched products perfectly fit with this new direction. The new C4 Picasso, the new Space Tourer, the new C3. All those products have gained market share on their respective segments, demonstrating the efficiency of the core model strategy. In terms of pricing power, Citroën has already met its midterm target versus benchmark. Being on the right path for the SUV boom, the replacement of C3 Picasso is coming very soon, while a new C-segment SUV will follow closely. It's all about being sharp on LCVs. The new Citroën Jumpy contributed to gain market share with the leader with over 21% in Europe and on the way to grasp opportunities overseas in the coming years. It's all about being ahead of the competition. As a perfect illustration of our core technology strategy, the 16 autonomous prototypes have already reached 120,000 kilometers on open roads. And one of them arrived on this stand, driven by Sébastien Loeb himself. Citroën is strong, fresh, and provide optimism to the Geneva Motor Show. Thank you for your attention.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Citroën. Well, with us today, the French group Blow, that accompany us for this press conference, so you can applaud them. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Well, it's a real pleasure to see you here in Geneva to share Citroën's momentum with you. You know, it was only 2.5 years ago that Citroën embarked on its transformation by redefining itself at the heart of the mainstream market, inspired by its people-minded brand vision and driven by a promise fully in line with its DNA. Be different and feel good. Today, more than ever, our renewal is bearing fruit, in particular in Europe, where in 2016 we achieved our highest sales volume in the past 5 years. Now, this renewal is driven by our product offensive, with in particular the latest launches. The C4 Picasso, the confirmed benchmark for MPVs, and a perfect illustration of Citroën Advanced Comfort, our global and modern approach to comfort for all passengers, which includes, beyond the physical comfort, the ease of use provided by driving assistance technologies. And this is why in the future, Citroën intends to take its rightful place in the challenge of the autonomous car. A challenge which is already real for the PSA Group, modeled on the autonomous C4 Picasso prototype, which has already completed 120,000 kilometers across Europe. Sebastian Loeb himself tested this prototype, and we are delighted to present this exceptional car on our stand. Now, our product offensive, it is also, of course, about our new C3, the replacement for our bestseller, which we launched in November and which has already racked up 70,000 sales. You know, since the start of the year, and while the launch is taking place still in several countries, C3 sales increased by 55% in Europe. The seductive power of this model is also shown by customers' choices with very rich mixes. 50% of sales are at the highest trim level, and 70% are for two-tone versions. This new C3 is also right at the very heart of a new offensive this year, this time a sporting one, with the WRC Championship. Now, this competition is a real image driver in the countries where the different rallies are contested. And it's also a real challenge for Citroën Racing and its teams. Next round, well, it's in 3 days in Mexico, and it's all to play for, so good luck to them. But let's come back to our customers, because it is them who inspire us. For them, Citroën is refreshing its brand experience beyond just cars. This is shown in our dealer network with La Maison Citroën, a 100% feel-good experience, city store concept, which is reinventing the dealership experience and which we will launch next month in Paris. The Citroën brand experience, though, is also about bringing modern-day solutions to our customers, like the new mobility services that we're offering, Rent and Smile, to be able to hire the Citroën of their choice from their dealership, a car, a van, from 1 week to several weeks or months. But also Earn and Drive, the Citroën car-sharing service where your car earns money while it's parked. So, as you can see, our customers' new aspirations inspire our creativity. And our creativity, we are taking advantage of it more than ever in Geneva this year. Because for us, 2017 is the year of the SUV. And this is why we are unveiling 2 world premiere concepts to you here in Geneva. The Space Tourer 4x4 e-Tremor, an adventurous van concept with a graphic design which illustrates and invites you to experience escapism in style and relaxation, modeled on the collection of lifestyle e-Tremor products unveiled at the last Paris Motor Show. And for those who want a smaller car without sacrificing the practical aspect, we also have a solution for that. The C Aircross concept.
You think you won, you think I'm gone. I feel unchained, and I'll be back again. Kings never die, this ain't no lie. You think we're the same, but you never play the game. You drive me to the moon, and in my love is your woman. The woman
in line with the new C3, the C Aircross concept once again shows Citroën's capacity to stand out, this time in the compact B SUV segment. Its style, its shape, make it a unique SUV, full of freshness with its color scheme. And inside, it shows off a new stage of the Citroën Advanced Comfort program, with a pure and bright passenger compartment and technology at the service of life on board. So many attractive features, which clearly herald our offensive in the compact SUV segment this year. Now, as you will have understood, more than ever, Citroën is moving forward, and we have not finished astonishing you. Next meeting, Shanghai, next month, where there is still more to come. And there, we will reveal a brand new C segment SUV, an international offer, the C5 Aircross. And, you know, I just could not resist it to let me tease you with a few preview sketches. So, clearly an event not to be missed. And until then, I wish you all a very good Geneva Motor Show. Enjoy and feel good. Thank you.
You won't, you think I'm gone. I feel unchained, and I'll be back again. Kings never die, this ain't no lie. You think we're the same, but you never play the game. You drive me to the moon, I am in love with you, woman.
Merci beaucoup.